This tiny piece of silicon, smaller than your fingernail, is the most valuable material on Earth today. It's the digital communication chip embedded in the motherboard of smartphones and other modern devices. This technology eliminates the need for traditional removable plastic chips, allowing for software-based and direct internet connectivity. It's the brain behind everything that moves, thinks, or communicates in our modern world. Without it, your smartphones would stop working. Automated factories would cease to function, and the world's most advanced military aircraft would become useless scrap metal. We don't live in the age of oil or corn, we live in the age of silicon. Whoever controls this chip controls the world. For decades, the global economy treated technology and computing power as inexhaustible resources, flowing smoothly and freely across borders without interruption. But 2020 changed everything. When the pandemic hit and millions rushed to work and study from home, the demand for electronic devices skyrocketed. In response, supply chains collapsed. The result? Billions of dollars evaporated from the global economy in a matter of weeks. Car assembly lines ground to a complete halt, not due to a shortage of engines, but because a single electronic chip to control the windows or brakes was unavailable. Governments awoke to a terrifying reality. Their national security hung by a thread. Where are these chips manufactured? The answer isn't simply that they're distributed across multiple locations. The secret lies in one of the most secretive regions in modern history. A single island and a single company, TSMC in Taiwan, control over 90% of the world's most advanced semiconductor industry. Manufacturing these chips isn't just a process, it defies the laws of physics. Billions of transistors are etched at the atomic level, a process that requires decades of development and hundreds of billions of dollars. This means, quite simply, that the stability of the entire global economy hinges on the political and military stability of a single island at the heart of a geopolitical conflict. This alarming concentration of risks has ignited a new kind of Cold War between the world's two superpowers, the United States and China. Washington, realizing that its reliance on Asian factories threatens its dominance, has begun imposing draconian sanctions to prevent Beijing from accessing advanced semiconductors and specialized manufacturing equipment, aiming to stifle China's technological and military growth. In response, Beijing is now waging an existential battle, mobilizing hundreds of billions of dollars to achieve self-sufficiency and build a completely independent manufacturing system. For both giants, technology is no longer merely a commodity to be bought and sold. It has become the ultimate instrument of sovereignty. And if you think the conflict is already raging, what's coming is even more intense. The sudden explosion of artificial intelligence has transformed this competition into an immediate crisis. To train a single advanced AI model, you need not only sophisticated software, but also tens of thousands of highly advanced semiconductors operating in parallel day and night. The nation that masters the production of these chips first will lead the AI revolution and thus wield absolute control over everything from cyber warfare to global economic modeling. In the 20th century, influence and power were measured by who controlled oil fields and shipping lanes. In the 21st century, power is determined by who controls computing. Whoever owns these chips has the ability to dictate the pace of human progress and possesses a weapon capable of crippling their rivals with the push of a button. The decisive battle for humanity's future is not being fought on vast territories, but within these microscopic structures. Share your thoughts in the comments. Do you think the next great conflict will be about control of these chips? Don't forget to subscribe and turn on notifications to stay updated on more stories about the future.